So Karan is traveling at 56.52 feet every time he goes around, and it's 12 seconds for each time around. So if you do 56.52 divided by 12, that'll give you the feet per second, which is 4.71 feet per second. Now let's do the same thing for Mai. She's 106.76 feet around. Let's make sure that's a 6, divided by 12. So 106.76 divided by 12 gives you 8.89. Now, when we subtract these, because we want to figure out how much faster one travels than the other, we do 8.89 minus 4.71, and that gives you 4.18 feet per second. Now, this problem specifically says we need to round to the nearest single decimal place, so it's going to be 4.2 feet per second. That's how much faster Karan travels than Mai.